families, and friends. Welcome once again to Mama Niger's kitchen. A kitchen filled with love, fun, yes, exotic spices. Remember, this month we are featuring essential element in our kitchen, and that is herbs and spices of the earth. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming with me on this journey. For visiting today, you are most welcome. Yes, there is a seat in the house for you. Please grab your seats and let's get cooking because we are going to showcase how one you can tremendously reduce amount of time spent in the kitchen every time you need to cook. So guys, we are going to work smart and two, at the same time, increase, sophisticate, elevate the degree of seasoning in your food, the taste, aromatic, yes, taste busting experience of your food. Yes, guys, this video has two purposes: reduce the amount of time spent in your kitchen, at the same time elevate the taste of your food to that classic exotic taste that you will love so much and your guests and family will love and cherish those memories years to come. So guys, without further ado, let's get into it because the nature's bounty has a lot to offer. Ingredients we will need include parsley, cilantro, curly parsley. As you can see, I have two types of parsley here, the flat and the curly. So combining the two together is going to intensify the flavor as well as the aromatics. So guys, there is a formula to this. Come along with me. I also have rosemary and a large size of green bell pepper. If you can find one large size, you can use two medium sizes. And I also have some fresh dills. Yeah, I love dills. And spring onions. So these are natural green gold ingredients that we are going to be incorporating into our green gold seasoning. So guys, combining all of this together, you can imagine having this bottled up in your fridge, in your refrigerator or freezer. Anytime you need to cook, all you have to do is put out that pot of gold seasoning and add some quantity to your food. That's all you need, guys. Enhancing that flavor, taking it to another level, spending just a fraction of the time in the kitchen. Yeah, but yet your food is as if you have worked all night in the kitchen cooking it. Guys, you gotta get in on this. Yes, it is so easy and yet very inexpensive to make. I can tell you the amount that I spent on this is actually not more than $25. But however, it is going to be lasting for months, at least 3 months. So guys, this is a wise investment for that wise cook. Some additional benefits of having and using the spices and herbs include the oil, the natural emulate that it exudes into the air. And that fragrance absolutely triggers your feel-good hormone, and that is the endorphins. Yes, guys. It's like getting high on herbs and spices, okay? It just places you in that feel good spot. Yeah, that's if you need something relaxing, something lifting, yes, get some of these herbs and spices and just lay it around in your kitchen, guys. You will come and thank me later because you will notice how transformed your emotional state is into that feel good. Alright guys, this seasoning has no additives to it. It is all natural. Additional flavonoids that we are going to be adding include the following: celery sticks. We also have assorted peppers. As you can see, I have orange pepper and red bell pepper. I also have a combination of various types of natural peppers, and the goal of this is to provide a concentrated, intensified taste of all these blended peppers. And the trick to this is deseeding those that are very hot and spicy, because I do not want my base green gold seasoning to be excessively hot that no one else can eat the food if you don't like the heat, right? So it gotta be one-stop shop for all. So in order to do that, you want to deseed your extremely hot pepper, such as the habanero pepper. So the habanero pepper I am using here, as you will notice, have been deseeded. I also have banana pepper, which is very mild and sweet, okay? And yes, look at the habanero pepper. The seeded or the seeds that would cause that extreme heat has been removed. In that way, you are able to enjoy this. And when you are cooking and you wanted to elevate that heat, at that moment, you can definitely add on to it. Add on some more pepper of your choice as desired. I also have some multicolor peppercorns. Again, the multicolor is to intensify the extraction of those flavors, blending it all together. And I do have some ginger that is chopped and garlic, peeled garlic. My dry seasoning that will be included is some cumin, as well as nutmeg and 4 tablespoons of chicken seasoning. Yes, you need that. One more essential ingredient that we have not talked about is thyme. Yes, guys, yes, you do need your thyme. Thyme as in the herb. Yeah, so we are going to add on some thyme into this seasoning. Guys, you can only imagine how this is all going to come together. And please note, the amount and quantity of this seasoning, of the herbs that you incorporate together, actually depends on what you like. It is based on your preference. You can allow one of the herbs to be more than the rest. So it is your choice. Alright guys, let's head over to the food processor. Yes, we are going to blend all of these ingredients using extra virgin olive oil. 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil will be used in multiple batches as we blend and process all of these ingredients together. The olive oil will act as a natural preservative agent. By excluding water, we are, as much as possible, maintaining the natural state and concentration of our herbs and spices. I'm using the Ninja food processor, which is very powerful. So after processing for maybe 2 minutes, I want to check the consistency and the volume would have settled in. Then I am going to add on additional herbs and other ingredients. It is always wise to avoid overstocking your food processor as that could cause some damage. So break it up into multiple batches. You will eventually mix it all together to blend up the spices and flavors. I have achieved the consistency that I am looking for. Yes! Our first batch is ready, so I am pouring it into a bowl. So now repeat the same process over until you have completed processing all of your ingredients. Remember, you are doing it in multiple batches, and with each batch, do not forget to add the extra virgin olive oil. If this video brings you value, you can do something. Hit that subscription button, thumbs up, like and share. Subscribe, guys. I love you and your support means a great deal to me. Mwah. All right, our last batch is done, and there you have it. Oh my goodness. Intoxicating, tantalizing, sensational. Oh boy, the list goes on. Look at that green gold seasoning. The way Mama Nanja makes it. Guys, the arrow in this kitchen right now. Ooh, is beyond measure. Yes, it has totally transformed an exotic atmosphere into this kitchen. Guys, how do you store this? You can bottle it up in an airtight glass container. Glass is perfect, airtight, and that will prevent degradation of your green gold seasoning. To showcase this, I want you to stay tuned and enjoy the culinary cinema of an exotic addition to your kitchen: green gold seasoning. Family and friends, there you have it. Your green gold seasoning, Mama Ninja's recipe. So guys, you can store this in the refrigerator for 1 month in an airtight container, or you can put it in your freezer for even longer period of time. I have had this in my freezer for 3 good months, and there was no reduction in the taste or quality. So guys, now elevate your food, your culinary skills and satisfaction into an exotic spice zone with green gold seasoning. Enjoy.